Hi, this is Deep Arora again, and welcome back to the demonstration videos of EE Suite. In the last video, we have seen how you can add a new product in the EE Suite database. So in this video, let's move forward and cover the other sections of the EE Suite, that is orders and customers. So let's go ahead and click on this customers tab. So here on the screen you can see two sample customers that are already created in the database. One is admin and other is the normal user. To edit a customer, all you need to do is click on the username here. Once you click on this, for example, if I click on this username, you will see the member account management screen. Here you can edit the signature, profile, the username and password, and other details of the users. But let's go forward and take a look at the other things we can do on this page. On this column, the order management, you see two links: check order history and add a new order. So in case you just want to check the entire order history of a particular user, all you have to do is click on this link. But since there are no orders, it says no records found yet. And once you click on this add a new order, you will be able to add a new order to this user account. But let's do that in a moment. Let's first see what the last column is all about. The last column is statistics, that shows you the total amount paid till date by this particular user and the total refunds asked by this user. So as you can see, it is $0 for both the users right now, because there are no orders and no refunds asked. But eSuite offers you a very handy feature where you can just take a look of the total net worth of any user by seeing how much that user has paid you and how much you have refunded, or how much that user has asked in refunds. So you can make educated guesses about the user's buying power or the buying capacity. So let's go back here and click on this add a new order and see how that screen works. So this is adding a new order form. This username is auto populated if you have clicked on that add a new order link against any user. In this product ID, you will see all the products that are created in the system. We created one test digital product in one of our previous videos, so that is selected by default. The date is the this is the date when the order was placed. If you are entering it today, by default the date will be selected as of today's. You can change it to any date you want. Amount is whatever the product price is, or whatever user has paid you. So let's say if we enter $20, you don't have to enter any currency symbols over here. It supports as of now only the USD. So just enter your number of the amount, which can be a decimal value as well in case required. The receipt is if the customer has paid you through any other payment processor which is not supported by eSuite, then you or if user has sent you a offline check or whatever, any other way, you can simply order a receipt number here. If you're maintaining in some offline books, or you can enter as not applicable. Then the status field shows the status of the transaction, whether the transaction is completed, pending, or refunded. In most cases, you enter it as completed if you have already received the payment. And then the last two fields are subscription begin date and subscription end date. These applies for the subscription based products. So since we have already created a digital product, these two fields doesn't hold any meaning. But if it were a subscription based product, so you can simply enter a begin date of the subscription and an end date of the subscription. So based on this end date, users access to this product or any private member area is blocked if the user doesn't renew his or her subscription. but let's remove these two dates for now, and let's hit the submit button. So the order is added for this user. If you again click on this customers tab, now you will see in the statistics column that the total paid is $20.45, and if you go back on the products tab, you will see that the total sales is $20.45. This is the dev environment I'm showing the video from. So this is something that we fixed in the live version. You won't see these many decimal places in the live scenario, so just ignore it for now. Okay, so and if you click on the orders tab, you will see all the orders in the system. So it shows you which product is this order for, who is the customer's email ID, the date of the order, the amount, the receipt, and the status. Let's say if you want to add a new order, you just need to click on this add order button on the right hand side. Now because you are coming directly from the orders tab, you won't see this username field already populated up there. So you need to enter a username here. Let's say I enter as admin123, which is not a valid user. So eSuite is intelligent enough to do that check and tells you that if it's a valid username or not. So you don't have to worry about whether you're entering the right user or not. So the other way of adding an order is if you go on the customers page, you click on this add a new order, and this order form is already pre-populated with the usernames. There are you can add a new order in two different ways, whatever is convenient for you. So that covers almost all the three tabs of the eShop section of the eSuite. In the next video, we are going to cover the template tags that you can use to display the order page to your customers, and also to display all the purchases made by the customer once they are logged into your private member area. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll talk to you in the next video.